evening down here on the Spring River, Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, at the Riverside Resort. And we was able to get to the spot that we was wanting to fish, so we're gonna give them one last try today. Hopefully get this redhead on a 15-incher today. We're using our new third-person point of view camera mount, and this is the first time out with it. We'll see how it does for us. These shrimp are still good and solid, so do that every time. Redhead is baited first. We're gonna get her out there and let her fish. And she got one, the first cast. I wouldn't even have cast had I known that. Bring mine in. Fish on, fish on. Look at that girl go. Oh. All right. Get him away from me. Use your arms and you pull.
Oh. He got off.
Yeah, he did.
He was a big one.
Right at the left. What a shame. All right, Bubaloos. That's another time you tried to hook me in the face.
What name's that fish?
I didn't stick the hook in his face.
Apparently I didn't either.
And redhead's hooked up again. Well, shoot. Are you raising your rod up or are you just reeling on it? Oh, got it? I thought he'd come off. All right.
See that up close?
He was running at you. Well, look at there. She done landed her first one of this afternoon. Pretty little rainbow right there. Little male. Caught a boy fish, girl. All right, Bobby Lou. There's a 15 out there with your name on it somewhere.
I didn't do it. I didn't put my name on no fish.
You just put your name on those fish. Race. There you go. She's hooked up again, folks. Get him, girl. Right, get your hands out in front of you now. Stare at that fish. that. That may be it. That may be it, girl. Let's see what we got here. All right, we're at 6 there, and 9 and 6 is 15. Oh, you got your 15. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that fish. Look at that fish. She got her PB right there, folks. That's that 15 we've been looking for. Let's see if I can get the hook at him without hurting him. Ain't that a dandy?
Yeah.
My Lance. You got your 15. Still. I've got a fish biting mine behind me. That's got 2 hooks in it. 2 hooks in there. That's the second one you caught with a hook in it. That's one of our circle hooks right there. There we go. Let's see if he's gonna recover from this. That one just hooked pretty deep. Feel like holding this one. Get a picture. This one deserves a good picture. This one deserves a good picture there, Bobby. Wow, look at that behemoth. What a shame.
Yeah.
All right, girl, you got your PB on this trip. That fish is just tearing me up back here. Look at that rod jumping around. Gonna have me pick clean before I can get you baited up here. I got him. I got him. How about that, folks? I had my rod under my arm and pointed back, and that fish was just a banging on it. And he hooked himself. By golly, that'll learn you, darn you. There we go. Isn't that something?
Something.
Big one's coming around. Well, I'll be darned. I done hooked another one right here. Folks, ain't that something? Sitting there taking care of the babaloo, and the little bluegill are nailing me right here where I'm standing. Get him?
Yeah.
I just well put my rod up. Bang on them, girl. Bang on them. Another pretty one. Oh, we got him in the net. That's nothing to squawk at right there. That's probably 13 and a half. Another male. That sucker got you hooked in the net. Still hooked in him. Mouth hooked. You finally mouth hooked one, girl. right, there we go. That's a long, skinny one. 6 and 8 is a 14, just a hair over 14. All right, girl, talk to me.
Hello.
All right, all right. That one isn't harmed, so we'll get to put that one back. Toward me. All right. Folks, we just spent 4 hours, the redhead and I, at one of the local garages. We developed a fuel line leak at the camp and lost 3/4 of a tank of gas in about 20 minutes, and had to wind up going to the 3rd garage to actually get somebody to repair our truck.
Right after Corey at the car doctor.
Yes, that's right. Corey at the car doctor in Thayer, Missouri. And for the whole crew over there, they were really friendly and very reasonable. They took care of us, and I think they did better than what they had to take care of us, especially out-of-towners that we are. They could have had us over the barrel, but they didn't do it. They was very reasonable, and shout out to them. They're fine folks at the car doctor in Thayer, Missouri. Get him? That girl's hooked up again. This is gonna jump. Oh, acted like it was. There's that jump I was looking for. I thought he was preparing himself for it. See if I can get that up out of the water. No promises. I'll find a flying fish to eat the darn thing. All right, what we're looking at here, girl?
7.
6 is 13. 13 incher.
He jumped up on sideways.
Yeah, he's also turning this into a knot too. But if you'll be still, I'll get this out of your face. That wasn't the deal that I struck with. The key there was being still. There we go. Got that one out without hurting him too bad. All right. Jeez. All right, girl. Looks like he's swimming pretty good now. Wait for it to turn red. Release him. He took off like a rocket. He had a hot date. It is Friday night.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I still got bait. Well, do right now. We'll see after I get done fooling this redhead. All right. Can I make the cast?
Okay.
loving every minute of it, girl. There's one for the Papa Bear. Hurry up, double, girl. Oh, this is staying down. Ooh, this has got shoulders. Ah, gosh. He's either mean or he's a good one. Staying on bottom. Feel pretty green here. Boy, that is a strong stinking fish. All right, we got him in. Wow. Strong. 6 and 8 and 14. Got another 14 there, folks. But hey, he fought like a 20. I tell you what, he was gamey. Gamey fish right there now. Oh, didn't quite get it close enough to the bend of the hook here. There we go. Now we got it loose. That was a gamey fella right there now. Look there about you.
Look there.
All right, dude. All right. Mine's on. You just feed the fish, ain't you? Another game of fish here. I got to see him anyhow.
Yeah.
Quick release that one.
We got video of
That's it. Boy, he got pretty colors. That's one of them dark ones. I think them dark ones are so pretty. Get you some, girl. Get you some. I done slung my shrimp off. I even triple hooked that sucker. Slung it off like a rookie. I throwed it in the water. Oh, the red is hooked up again there, folks. Look at that. Look at that.
touch the button.
Another dandy right there. How come that camera swung all the way around here? She ain't tightening them straps up just right. All right. Yeah, that's a nice one right there, girl. All right. Oh, going to hide. Every time I get it settled in, flips again. 6 and 8, 14. I think he told you hook for you. Look at that, another 14-inch one for the Babaloo. I took a picture of you looking down at that one. Right. Oh man, what a great evening. You having fun, girl?
Yeah.
For you. That's something.
Yeah.
Hooked up again. Hooked up again, that girl is. I like the hooked up. Just trying to drag this thing in. Something took a swipe at it. Woo, wild and woolly action, boys and girls. Oh, yeah. All right. Flop, 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 flop. Brought him in green. He's still got a lot of fight in him.
Yeah.
6 and 6.5, only a 12 and a half there.
Wow.
A mean 12 and a half, wasn't it?
Junkyard dog.
Hmm. There's one. Double up, girl, double up. Did you double? Yes, you did. Oh, he come off. Come off right at the last second. Well, had that double. Double. All right. Oh, look how pink and silver that one is. Isn't that pretty? Let's see what we we got here? We got 6 and 7, 13 incher. Oh, there, rascal. Rascal. All right, I'm going to send that game one back to the drink here. Woohoo! What about it, folks? This is good action. That redhead hooked up, or is she? I thought she was too. Wiggled a bit. Must have come out of his mouth. It wiggled it, just a little bit. Get him?
So far.
All right, that red's hooked up again, folks. Go get him, girl. He come off? He's coming at you. Coming at you. There we go. What is that? Give me some line. There. I'll need to lay still for just a second. Yep, that hook was out where I could have got it and then it flipped around. There we go, girl. There we go. Look at that little rascal.
Teeny tiny.
Still got milk on the clips. That's the smallest one of the trip. 10.5 incher right there, folks. Smallest one of the trip right there. All the babies love the bobby-loo. See, still just wants to be around you there by you. All right. I got my bait that last bite right there. Finally ripped it off. finally stuck one.
Finally.
They will eat me up down through there, and I just never could stick it. There's some growing on the way in here. Oh, he come off right there.
Oh.